Hey, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, comrade!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
The Best Ligitan. And binabati ko ang aking kapatid, si Beb Nice. Happy birthday sa iyo, Beb. And I wish you many more birthdays to come and more candles to blow, more birthdays to celebrate. And then God bless and good health. And thank you so much sa iyo, babe, for being here and a good sister in this family. And also to Naklans, ayan, thank you so much sa iyo and belated happy birthday din sa iyo. And be strong and be humble. And then good health also. And then many more birthdays to come. We hope sana marami pa kayong birthday na ma-celebrate. And then dito sa ating family, sana patagal kayo at ating family maging masaya. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone. And then again, happy birthday.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Admin Aldea ng The Best Ligitan. Nagbabati po sa aming kapatid na si Po Editors Nance ng happy birthday. Hindi ko alam kung ilang taon ka na, babe. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo ay sana maging happy ka always, stay strong, at stay mabait. May God bless you and many more birthdays to come, Beb Nice. Ingat ka palagi kung saan ka man naroroon. I love you, Beb.
Hi!
Thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. I'm co-organizer Lance from DBL Family. Una-una sa lahat, bumabati po ako ng happy birthday, Edith Nice. Sana umabot pa po ng ilang birthday at sana palaging masaya. Kahit anong pagsubok dumating sa buhay natin, kailangan i-enjoy lang ang ating sarili. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa aking mga kagrupo dito sa DBL Family, The Best Ligitan, na nandito pa rin kayo para suportahan ang isa't isa. Maraming salamat and God bless and happy birthday, Editrice Nice. God bless all. Thank you.
Happy birthday sa iyo, very nice, at God bless.
Sana mag-iingat ka palagi. Maraming salamat kasi ikaw yung naging friend ko. Mabait sa akin. Kahit lukarit ako, andyan ka pa rin para sa akin. I love you kasi ikaw yung naging kapatid ko sa DBL. Kayo yung mga friend ko sa DBL. Alam mo kung mag-aabot pa tayo ng year of the year sa ating DBL Dumbugaw. Salamat, naging part ako ng Dumbugaw kasi kayo nakilala ko at na magwa 1 year na rin ako ngayon Mansari dito sa DBL at maraming salamat na ngayon ang nakilala ko. Big nice and I love you. Happy birthday.
Nice. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Stay pretty, stay humble. Hope na magkikita tayo soon pag-uwi sa Pinas. Once again, nice happy birthday.
Nice. Sana ang wish ko sa birthday mo, sana bigyan ka ng kalusugan at kalakasan. Hindi ka magkasakit. Parati ka mabuhay.
Hi, nice. Ako pala si Agnes Dingel ng DBL. Bumabati sa sana magkakatag ka lang. Magkakatag ka sa dadaan ka ng mga pagkakasay. Ako pala si Agnes Dingel. Salamat sa bumabati. Happy.
Gusto ko lang pong i-greet isa sa aming pinakamabait, pinakamaganda, pinakamahindaw at pinakatahimik namin kapatid na si Iridas Maisa.
Hello, nice. Bago lahat, I would like to wish you a happy birthday. Thank you for being good to me. Kahit na madalas na sinasermonan kita dahil sa VR, no? Ito sa ating DBL family. Pero thank you and I wish you all the best. Your health especially. Siyempre, yung heart mo, of course, no? And for your family too. And sana a lot more birthdays to come. Alam ko, aabutin mo rin yung age na meron ako ngayon. Basta enjoy mo lang yung life, no? Piliin mo lang yung maging masaya. And I'm always here for you too, no? And thank you so much for giving me all the time na assistant, lalong-lalo na sa ating family DBL din, no? Masasabi ko lang is ingatan mo palagi sarili mo and stay beside me always, no? And once again, happy birthday and stay sexy, stay pretty, and stay nice and sweet. Okay, and I love you, babe.
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa ating lahat. First of all, I would like to greet a happy birthday to you, Editress Nice ng Family BBL, the best legitan. I'm co-editress of Pagatan ng BBL Family. Ayan, kakanta muna ako bago ako mag-wish ng birthday sa'yo na Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday happy birthday to you, babe. Nice, no? This day it's your birthday celebration, no? Birthday, be a new beginning in your life with positivity and good health and prosperity. Ayan. I wish you all birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng marami pang taon. Marami pang taon na darating. Stay pretty. Nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo, no matter what happened. And yun lang.